Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing these QEEIG floating shelves. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are interested in getting these shelves. And so my wife and I, we decided to place this within our bathroom. And it really adds a nice look to our bathroom, as you can see here. Installation was incredibly easy. It comes with two shelves. You do have to install this part onto the actual wood itself, but it does come with the screws to screw into the wood. We use the bottom part to hold our toilet paper, and now we're also able to actually go ahead and use the top items and place them on top of our shelves as well. But it looks absolutely fantastic. As far as a general overview of our toilet goes and bathroom looks, this is what it looks like here. But overall, very pleased with it. If you're looking for a neat way to add a nice aesthetic to your bathroom, definitely check this out. We've had no problems with it whatsoever. I'd say installation took about maybe 20 minutes or so, but anyone can do it. Just make sure that you use the drill bits, or not the drill bits, but the screws and the anchors to place it onto your wall.